You guys, I am at Be Brave. Can you see the sign? Be Brave Beauty Supply. Getting my products I need to do my hair. Without Be Brave Beauty Supply, I would not be able to finish my hair. Oh, black on, open from 9 a.m. to 8 p.m. Okay, you guys, I'm in Brave Beauty Supply. They have here all along the walls. Okay, this is for the guys. You know, the bonnet today, here we go. Pick the bonnet. I'm not gonna forget about the guys. Let's go all the way back here. And then they have wigs. Oh, this is for little girls. I enjoy seeing beads on little girls, like, you know, just a click-clacking sound and bullets. It's hard to catch girls with like beads and stuff in the hair. That's the hardest thing ever, is to catch them wearing those type of things in the hair. Nowadays, the girls have like little weaves and stuff in the hair. You would need hot water, not too hot. I start in the front of my hair and work my way to the back. I'm using this shampoo. Pull down gently, squeeze, and get the shampoo inside of the locks. Now I am drying my hair. I don't pull, I squeeze down, 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 squeeze down, down, down. Did you see all the new growth? Wow. I like to use this serum right here. It's the hair polish serum. Here we go. Let's squeeze it. Oh my God. Hold on. Made a mistake. Delete all that. Let's take off the top part. Oh my gosh. Okay, we're back. Twist the top one like so. Voila. Boom. Thumbs up. Wow, I'm magical. Now, let's rub it on my hair. I do this first because it gives me a really nice shine, and it gets all of the little hairs that stick up sometimes and makes it sit down. Ooh, look at that. Look at her wrist. Ah. Plastic bag. Oh, hey, Now, the plastic bag is essential because once all of the products are on there, you're going to want to massage it in your scalp and on your hair. Look at that. Yeah, my eyebrows not on? So what? Boo, I see you. Look at the back of my hair. Ooh. Ah. Look at all the new growth. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm a hot mess. But watch until the end of the video. I'm going to stun on y'all. Okay, so here's another angle. You see that? That is a lot of new growth. You see my hair is growing like wow. Oh, shake it up, baby. Hey, hey. I thought I was recording, but I wasn't. So here is my hair done. I'm going to go and do a reversal. And this is the back part. I have a mullet. Hold on, you guys. Hold on. Wait. Okay. It looks crazy, right? So let me show you guys. I used this gel this time. I'm trying something different. I got this from the Black Beauty Supply. So you take a little bit of gel. I'm going to use one I already have out. Look how long. What? So I take the gel. I put it here. Right here. Get all my kitchens in here. Okay, now so yeah, I don't know like that. Big Chief. Logic. I don't know y'all like that. Then you take it, since my hair is long, take the finger, hook it like this. This goes towards the root twist. And I'm holding this because I don't want to put that much tension on here. I don't want hair snapping off. I'm not going to be buying edges. Did you guys see the part of the edges? If you did, thumbs up. I'm going to take it and twist it. Look at this. Watch this, because our hair, you see that? Wow. What? I'm going to do the whole rest of this, okay? So I'll be back. Go up on top.